I'm Rob Antonitis, and I'm the founder and owner of Apex Motion Control. We've been in business for about 20 years. I graduated in school in 95, and I went to work in a place in Minneapolis. When I decided to move back to BC, my boss in Minneapolis said, "You really got to start your own company." So I did, and then I connected with the local bakery piston pump manufacturer, and then just looked for ways that we could really automate the bakery industry, and we found some really innovative ways to do that.
When I was in school for electrical engineering, about halfway through, I sort of realized that most of the projects that I'd been working on and enjoying were sort of projects where you could use programming and your electrical knowledge to make things in the real world move. I think at that point I realized I was interested in robotics, and Apex was one of the companies in the area that really seemed to meet my interests.
There is no typical day. There's always something new going on, a new problem to solve, a new challenge for us. I handle a wide variety of things, everything from customer visits, testing. I do a lot of the parts ordering. I'm helping out with tech support and fielding calls. Every day is different.
I think everybody knows robotics and automation are the place to be these days. There's a lot of labor uncertainty in the market. There's a lot of health concerns with repetitive tasks that create injuries, and technology is a great place to be. So you wrap all that up together, and this is absolutely the right place to be.
Collaborative robots are not here to take away jobs. As we know, we just can't find people. So they're here to take care of the dull, the dirty, and the dangerous jobs, and take the people that were doing those and have them doing much more value-added tasks.
Been working at Apex for the last 2 years. I do everything from welding, machining, shipping, receiving, quality control, DJ, morale booster. I'm kind of the shop clown, I guess you'd call it, right? Get people laughing. Sometimes I don't even call it work. I just enjoy coming to Apex, and just the open flow of ideas and the cutting edge technology that Apex brings to the manufacturing world. It is really the wow factor.